Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is video number 3 now, and today we're going to be taking a look outside our driveway. My husband owns a pressure washing company, so we decided we were going to get our driveway seal coated since it's been a few years since we got it done, and he wanted to do the cleaning and prep himself since he has all the machines and the chemicals to do a really good job. So we're taking you through that process, and then we will show you the finished product after the company came and did the seal coat. And I enlisted my husband for a little Q&A to answer some questions about the process we did, since he knows it best. So I hope you enjoy, and without further ado, here it is. I have my husband here beside me.
Hi.
That's Andrew, and he's gonna talk us through the process of what it took to get the driveway cleaned and ready for the seal coating that happened today. Why did we use a wash water reclaim system, which is essentially anything we were putting on the driveway you were sucking back up after? So why did we need to use that on our driveway?
That way it eliminates any risk for environmental contamination.
We'll start with, why did you use an acid on the driveway?
For me, it's just I have to put a product down because that is what gives you a true clean. If you just use the brute force of the water itself, nothing really penetrates into the pores of the surface, and to me, that's not a true clean. So the only real other issues I know on our driveway, a little bit of algae growth along the one side, but putting the acid on there and then hitting it with the pressure washer was going to clean up any of that.
Why do you use a base after you use the acid?
The base is really, so say I put down the acid, maybe 10 to 1 kind of thing. The base, 50 to 1, it just neutralizes the acid. So at the end of the day, it stops the reaction. So if the acid was breaking down any of the oil on the surface or any grease or anything like that, it would stop the reaction, and then it allows you to basically, you can just kind of rinse and vacuum up. Or if any did get down into the storm system, at least the pH then is neutralized, and all you're dealing with at that point are some soaps.
What is so bad about those acids and bases going into our sewer system?
Because it ended up being neutral, but it's just a lot of soap. At the end of the day, it's just like dumping a ton of soap right into the lake, and the lake down our road is literally our own drinking water, so try not to pollute that.
Why can it not go in the sewer system, but it's okay to just get dumped onto the grass?
Just breaks down into the soil naturally, and then you don't have to worry about it making its way all the way down. By the time it makes its way through what do we call that, the whole water table we learned in grade 4 or 5. when it makes its way all the way down into it, it'll have lots of time to break down in the soils itself.
So if someone is watching this and they don't have a $20,000 system or setup, and they just have a pressure washer that they bought at their local Home Depot,
Yeah.
what is one thing you could recommend for getting some good results on your driveway?
So I'd probably do look up what a house wash solution. So it's using liquid pool shock, so those yellow pool containers. Mix that 10 to 1 with water, a couple squirts of soap. And basically you spray that on your driveway to get any organic growth, so anything that's green or gray, that will kill that. And then you can pressure wash your own driveway. Ideally go and rent a surface head from Home Depot, make your life a lot easier anytime you're dealing with a large surface area. It allows you to do an even clean as well. And then if you look at where the water is going to flow, if it's going to flow down into a storm drain, depending on what your driveway's like, just make a little water dam, fill up some sort of bag or something like that, or just find a way to block the water so that you can have it corral and you can push it into the grass. see everywhere there's overlap, there's just a little puddles of excess fluid, tar, whatever sealant. So I'm gonna back roll it. So fresh brushes, got these things called corkers. They limit my surface area, so I'm not walking all over the sealed surface. And all I wanna do is just pull up, oh, we got a moth in there. Just pull up all the excess.
So that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching again, and I hope you found it satisfying. And if you've been thinking about getting your driveway done, maybe this gave you a little push in that direction. And if you really enjoyed watching, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I will hopefully be putting out another video pretty soon, and potentially another video of some more outdoor work that we have scheduled for next month. So keep an eye out for that. Hopefully everyone's having a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.